So we're going to square up our view in Revit so that we don't need to keep tilting our head and fighting with our angles of our section views to work this pipe in this area. You can't rotate it like you can in Navisworks. And if you've worked with Revit, you know that. This is a 15-degree angle that this building tilts off at. So if we go to View tab, Call Out, hold down mouse button, swipe over an area, right click on your call out, go to View, again, click on the edge of your call out, hit your rotate, start to rotate up, type in 15 degrees, hit enter. Now you have a square call out to work that section that's at a different angle. Enjoy.